siya ang alter ego ng presidente at ang official statement ng Malacanang is that the government of the Republic of the Philippines will never cooperate with the ICC. And yet you have a high-ranking official of the government, no less than the Secretary of the Department of Justice, cooperating with the ICC. And we have a maxim in law that what you are prohibited to do directly, you cannot do indirectly.
Sir, ano pong violation nun? Ano pong violation ng pakikipag-usap niya?
You know, if you look at Republic Act 3019, if you cause undue damage to a person, you
Now sinama pa nga nila sa listahan si former Senator Antonio Trillanes na dineliveran daw ng $2 milyong para makapagkita sa mga taga-ICC, which was promptly denied by the former senator. And to be honest, if it is indeed the case, hindi naman siya yung kumuha ng $2 million sa kabanang bayan and that he is a private citizen by that point. Ibig sabihin, walang nangyayaring graft or corruption or malice. Kasi nga again, kung totoo man, which according to sinama pa nga nila sa listahan si former Senator Antonio Trillanes na dineliveran ng $2 milyon para makapagkita sa mga taga-ICC, which was promptly denied by the former senator.
Based on the information we're getting, gagamitin ni Kaufman itong presko nila to try to probably ask for a mistrial because sabi nila may na-compromise daw. Pangalawa, yung destabilization kasi